Today, we are uncovering the hidden secrets to getting that incredibly smooth and mirror-like shine for your hair naturally. We all want that glass hair look, but without the damage of salon chemicals. Whether you are fighting frizz or just want your hair to look its absolute best, stay tuned because we are going back to basics with simple, powerful home solutions. Let's jump right into your hair transformation journey, defining healthy hair. Before we jump into the remedies, it's important to understand what healthy hair looks and feels like. First, healthy hair naturally reflects light, giving it a vibrant shine. Smooth hair cuticles reflect light much better than damaged ones. Second, it should feel incredibly soft and silky to the touch, without any brittle or rough patches. Third, healthy hair has excellent elasticity, meaning it can stretch slightly and return to its shape without snapping. Finally, it should be strong from the roots all the way to the ends. Coconut oil deep conditioning. Our first treatment is high-quality organic virgin coconut oil. It's rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft to moisturize and smooth the cuticle. Apply it to dry hair, starting from the roots and working down to the ends. Take a few minutes to massage it into your scalp to nourish the follicles. Leave it in for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for the best results, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. The fermented rice water secret. Next is a secret used for centuries. Rice water. Soak organic rice in water for 24 hours until it ferments slightly. This water is packed with amino acids and vitamins B and D that strengthen the hair from within. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment or a rinse after washing to add incredible volume and strength to your strands. Apple cider vinegar gloss. For an instant shine boost, use an apple cider vinegar, ACV, rinse. ACV helps balance the pH of your scalp and smooths the hair cuticle. Mix equal parts ACV and water and use it as your final rinse after shampooing. Massage it into your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing with cool water. This removes buildup and leaves your hair looking radiant. Aloe vera and rosemary infusion. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and promote healthy growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 to 60 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate. You can also spray rosemary water daily to stimulate circulation and prevent hair thinning. Protein repair with egg and avocado. If your hair feels weak, it needs protein. Eggs are rich in lecithin and protein that help rebuild and smooth the hair. Whisk 1 or 2 eggs and apply to damp hair for 20 to 30 minutes. Alternatively, use a mashed avocado mask mixed with olive oil for deep moisture and vitamins. Always rinse these masks with cool water to keep your hair healthy and shiny. Gentle drying techniques. Stop using regular bath towels as their rough fibers can cause friction and lead to frizz. Instead, use a microfiber towel or even a soft, old cotton t-shirt to gently pat your hair dry. Never rub your hair aggressively. This simple change protects the hair cuticle and keeps it smooth. Nighttime care and friction control. Switch your cotton pillowcase to a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce hair breakage while you sleep. Silk prevents the hair from tangling and keeps your natural oils intact, ensuring you wake up with manageable hair. Always use a wide tooth comb or a brush with very soft bristles to detangle your hair gently, starting from the ends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these natural tips help you achieve the smooth, shiny hair you've always wanted. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beauty secrets, and let me know in the comments which tip worked best for you. Until next time, stay beautiful.